Wake up! Stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Break up. End a relationship. They decided to break up after 5 years. Bring up. Mention or raise a topic. He brought up an interesting point during the meeting. Call up. Call on the phone. I will call you up later this evening. Catch up. Continue after a pause. I need to catch up on my reading. Clean up. Clean or tidy. Let's clean up the kitchen after dinner. Close up. Close completely. We need to close up the store soon. Come up. Approach or arise. A new opportunity came up at work. End up. Conclude in a particular way. I didn't expect to end up in this situation. Give up. Quit or stop trying. Do not give up. You are almost there. Go up. Rise or increase. The prices went up last week. Hang up. End a phone call. I will hang up and call you back. Keep up. Continue or stay informed. I read the news daily to keep up with current events. Look up. Find information. I will look up the address online. Make up. Invent or fabricate. I made up a story to explain what happened. Move up. Advance or improve. We are moving up to a bigger office next month. Pick up. Collect or gather. I will pick up some groceries on my way home. Set up. Arrange or organize. We need to set up the meeting room. Show up. Arrive or appear. Only a few guests showed up at the event. Speak up. Speak louder or more clearly. You should speak up so everyone can hear you. Stand up. Rise from a seated position. She stood up when the teacher entered the room. Take up. Start learning or doing something new. He took up yoga to stay fit. Turn up. Appear or arrive unexpectedly. He turned up at the party without an invitation. Warm up. Prepare the body for activity. I need to warm up before I go for a run. Wake up to. Become aware of something. I finally woke up to the reality of the situation. Blow up. Explode or inflate. The balloon blew up in the wind. Bring up to. Mention something to someone. She brought up to me the issue of our schedule. Cheer up. Encourage or make someone feel happier. I hope this movie cheers you up. Clear up. Solve or clarify. Can you clear up this mess? Come up with. Think of or create an idea. She came up with a great idea for the project. Cut up. Cut into pieces. I had to cut up the paper for the craft. Dress up. Clothe formally or nicely. I'll dress up for the party tonight. Eat up. Finish eating. Please eat up before it gets cold. Finish up. Complete something. I will finish up my work in a few minutes. Fix up. Repair or improve. They fixed up the old house. Follow up. Pursue or follow through. I will follow up with the client tomorrow. Get up. Stand or rise from the seated position. I need to get up early for work. Hold up. Delay or hold back. Traffic was held up due to an accident. Hold up on. Delay or wait before doing something. Let's hold up on signing the contract until we review it again. Join up. Remaining informed or continuing. He decided to join up with a volunteer group. Keep up with. Admire or look up to. I need to keep up with my studies. Look up to. To admire or respect someone. I have always looked up to my grandmother for her kindness. Mess up. To make a mistake or cause a problem. I messed up my math test by forgetting the formulas. Open up. Become more expressive or share feelings. I will open up about my feelings. Pass up. Miss an opportunity. Don't pass up this amazing opportunity. Pick up on. To notice or become aware of something. She picked up on his nervousness during the meeting. Run up. Accumulate or increase. The costs ran up quickly during the event planning. Show up for. To attend or appear for something. I showed up early to the meeting. Sign up. To register or enroll for something. You need to sign up for the course. Take up on. To accept an offer or invitation. He took up on the offer to help. Tear up. Tear something into pieces. She tore up the letter in frustration. Throw up. To vomit or to eject the contents of the stomach. The smell of the rotten food made him want to throw up. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.